congratulations on the progress you're making through your preparation to take the CPA exam. And as you get closer to exam day, I want to give you a tip. Make sure that when you actually go to sit for the exam that you are very well rested. You need to be prepared for your mind to be able to work at its strongest ability during the 4 hours while you're taking the CPA exam. Imagine that a cross-country runner who has a 5-mile race the next morning decides to do some last-minute preparation and goes out and runs 10 miles before he goes to bed the night before the race. Wouldn't make much sense because he'd be so exhausted the next morning. But it's no different if you show up very tired to take the CPA exam. So you need to make sure you schedule your time appropriately so that when you take the exam, you'll be well rested and ready to give it your best effort.